Welcome guys. In this video I would talk about how to install WordPress in additional directory or subdomain. Basically subdomain are additional directories on your main domain, okay, and you can use it for creating virtual businesses. It may be in an instance whereby your business, your main company, has other attached businesses, and you want to give each attached business a unique, web solution and interface like a dashboard, so that different persons and different team can be managing various businesses or virtual businesses without any obstruction. And you can use it to create your sales page. You can have an e-commerce store and you have a single some subdomains for sales page for that, or landing pages for that main site. And of course you use it to separate your solutions. Okay, if you are using it for landing pages, you can also use it to set up your squeeze page, your sales page, to set up your opt-in form, video webinars, and you can create unlimited, all attached to the main domain, but they are on different directory. In this video I'm just going to walk you through that. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and turning on the notification button. And for me to be able to do this, I have decided to look at two main web admin panels. That I have chosen two. The first one is WebHosting admin panel, and the second one is the major one that we all know, cPanel. You are going to get the same results. I'm going to walk you through. Okay, if you come to your WebHosting admin panel, or your cPanel as the one that everybody knows, you just need to install. You just go to your installer. That is where you are going. Okay, just go to your installer. You will see that under Subtaculous. Okay, you will see that here. Okay, when you click Subtaculous app installer, or you can also see that under your WordPress. So you will see under WordPress, you can click on WordPress. That is for cPanel. Presently I'm on cPanel. Now under normal WordPress, you will see your installed applications, your domain that you have linked to this server, and you just need to come to install. So now under install, you are going to select the protocol. That if you have done your SSL certificate, then you can make use of HTTPS, your domain, your primary domain, and there is where you have your directory. This directory will now be for web guide. Let me use web guide. Now I'm going to set up a unique different websites under this directory, under this domain, using this new directory, which is web guide. So it's going to be https://webguide. Now I would give it a name, site name, and of course I can always change all these ones later. I will give it a description, and I will give a unique username and password. So an admin email. Of course you can actually create unlimited emails with your server. Okay, and there is nothing else to select here except install. So once you install you are going to have, within a very short time, your application will be installed and your solution would be completed. Now you can see that WordPress had actually been installed on web guide. This web guide is capital W. Okay, now the implication is this: if you pick this URL and you open in an incognito website, you are going to have a complete different website. Now don't forget that my main website is mojitfetuga.com. okay, and this is my main website. Okay, however, I have created another additional website. Within the same website, I've created another directory, and this directory has its own unique complete solution, complete, though it is within the same website, but then it is on a separate interface. Now for me to log on to this directory, okay, this main directory, for me to log on, I have to come to mojitfetuga.com/wp-admin and what have you. However, for me to come to this directory, I have to come to mojitfetuga.com/webguide/wp-admin, which is the main way, the only way you can log on to the dashboard of this unique directory. So you put in your username and your password for you to log onto your new directory. Now this is important for somebody who wants to create a factual solution, and you are still within your main web domain name, and you are within the features of this domain, but you have created a unique directory whereby you can set up, probably you want to set up a landing page, probably you want to do any other features that you really want, and you can do that. So that being said, you will see that this is a different dashboard. Meanwhile, here we have a different dashboard entirely. Likewise, if you are on Webuzo, the same process. On your Webuzo panel, you just need to come to WordPress, okay, and you will see tons of installations that you have created, and even the new directories that you have created. So all you need to do is just click on install, okay, select the protocol that you really want, select the domain that you really want to work on, and you can select a directory under that same domain, okay, under that same domain. If you have issues with SSL, you just need to go, there will be another video on that. You just need to go and add your SSL certificate and you'll be able to have this. So you can select this. I'm giving a username. So the way you have it done on Softaculous on Control C panel is almost the same way you have it done on Webuzo, and that is why I always appreciate even using Webuzo than paying so much on cPanel, as the case may be. So you just need to enter your password and your email accounts the same way, and you just click install. Immediately you click install, your interface will be created. You can see here comes networking/wellness, and if you click on this, it's going to take you to, let me open that on an incognito mode. So it's going to create another entirely still within the same domain, but entirely a new account. And why do we need to create this? Why is it important that you create a add-on, a directory for all solutions like this? The reason is for you to be able to set up, like I said in my initial, for you to be able to set up, probably you are building a landing pages and you are using email solution like Messenger Panda. In the next video I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Messenger Panda application, which is an email solution, with all these landing pages and page builders that we have, whether Gutenberg, Elementor, DV, and whatever you. There are tons of solutions available for you that you can actually work with, and that is one of the reasons and the best way to create virtual separate solutions, create sales page, create landing pages, build additional virtual businesses. However, you have to be careful so that you are not going to be redirecting some solutions from this directory into the main domain. So you just have to be careful, but it is very, very important to set up a separate directory for these functionalities. Thank you. If you have found some values from this video, give it a thumbs up and kindly share to others. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. So thank you and God bless.